Have you ever been captivated by a story? The art of storytelling is a powerful tool that can transform the way we communicate and connect with others. Whether it's in personal conversations or professional presentations, a well-told story can engage your audience, inspire action, and forge meaningful connections. Start by identifying a central message or theme. What do you want your audience to take away? This clarity will guide your narrative. Next, structure your story with a beginning, middle, and end. Introduce characters or relatable situations that resonate with your audience. Incorporate sensory details to paint vivid scenes in their minds. Use emotions, humor, or suspense to keep them hooked. Practice your delivery. The tone, pace, and body language all play a significant role in how your story is received. Don't shy away from personal anecdotes. They make your story authentic and relatable. Lastly, invite your audience to reflect on the story's message. This engagement creates a lasting impact. Remember, every story you tell is an opportunity to connect and inspire. Harness this art and watch how it enriches your interactions and relationships.